These are the instructions for writing the personal ethical decision-making reflection paper. This assignment is due Saturday, July 18th, 2015 at 11:59 p.m. and is worth 50 points. Assignment overview. Choose an ethical dilemma that connects to you personally, or even better, is one in which you have been involved. This dilemma could be from work or your personal life. Make sure this is a dilemma you are willing to share with me. Write a 400 to 500 word reflection paper. If your paper goes beyond 500 words, that's just fine. Go ahead. Assignment overview. Be sure to refer to a framework for thinking ethically to choose an ethical framework. Use the ethical decision-making model at the end of the same article. How to complete this assignment. Complete a 400 to 500 word reflection essay. It can be longer than 500 words. That's not a problem. Be thoughtful about deciding what ethical dilemma or scenario to use for this assignment. 2. When writing your reflection, please include answers to all of these prompts. A. Write a short description of the dilemma or scenario and how it connects to you personally. If possible, describe something in which you were involved. B. Identify the ethical dilemma or issue. C. Identify the ethical framework that best describes your perspective of that situation. Describe the framework. D. Describe how you made a decision to resolve the ethical issue. Be sure to describe 1 to 2 key points that helped you come to this decision. E. Provide one argument against your decision by providing another person's perspective about this ethical dilemma. How might another perspective change the decision? F. Write a paragraph about how or when you might use this ethical framework in your future personal or professional life. G. For extra credit, upload a separate document that is a link to or a copy of a professional ethical code related to your major or chosen career at the bottom of your reflection paper. It can be a separate document or it can just be at the bottom of your assignment. 3. As with any written assignment in this class, how you write is very important, and appropriate grammar is part of how good writing is measured. You must use paragraphs. Not using paragraphs will result in a loss of points. 4. This assignment is to be typed using a 12-point font, double-spaced, with a standard 1-inch margin. List your name, class, assignment name, and date at the top left-hand side of the first page. 5. This assignment must be saved as a Word document and uploaded to the Ethical Decision-Making Assignment section in Blackboard. 6. Grading. This assignment will be graded based on the rubric attached to the assignment in Blackboard and provided here. Writing must meet appropriate grammar and syntax standards, no spelling errors. Document has been proofread and corrected. Paragraphs are used correctly. Fully describes the scenario, reports on the framework, describes the framework used, provides thoughtful potential arguments against your decision, describes how your decision changes with a different perspective, describes how this ethical framework might be used in personal or professional life. Essay meets the 400 to 500 word count and is uploaded in Blackboard as a Word document. Again, you can write more than 500 words. Extra credit. A copy of a professional ethical code related to your major is uploaded as a separate document, or the website address is provided. Finally, you can ask your group for help with this assignment, and you can send me an email about this assignment if you have questions.